Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create custom widgets and embed them in Notion. This is a fantastic way to personalize your workspace and add interactive elements that enhance productivity and organization. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open the specific page where you'd like to add your custom widget. This could be your dashboard, project tracker, or any page where you want extra functionality. Having the right page open from the start will make the embedding process smooth and straightforward. Now, you'll need to create your customized widget using a tool like Indify. These platforms offer various widget options, from clocks and calendars to weather displays and habit trackers. Browse through the available widgets and customize one to fit your needs. Adjust the colors, settings, and features until it matches your workspace aesthetic and functional requirements. Once you've finished designing your widget, it's time to get the hosting URL. Copy the direct link to where your widget is hosted. This is typically an HTML file link that the widget platform provides after you've completed your customization. Make sure you copy this link accurately, as it's essential for the embedding process. With your widget URL copied, return to your Notion page. Now click the plus button that appears when you hover over a new line, or simply type per inch to bring up the block menu. This menu contains all the different types of content blocks you can add to Notion. In the block menu, search for and select the embed block. This is the key feature that allows you to integrate external content directly into your Notion pages. Once you've selected it, an embed field will appear, prompting you to paste a URL. Paste your copied widget URL into this embed field. After pasting, click Embed Link to insert the widget into your page. Notion will process the link and display your custom widget as an embedded block. Finally, you can resize or reposition the widget block to fit seamlessly within your page layout. Click and drag the edges to adjust the size, or use the drag handle to move it around. Once positioned, test the widget to ensure it loads correctly and all its functions work as expected inside Notion. And there you have it, a fully functional custom widget embedded right into your Notion workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.